Lionfish have become the poster children of invasive species, and they fit the definition perfectly. One, they were introduced by humans to the Atlantic Ocean where they do not belong, and two, they can cause potentially widespread ecological damage, possibly wiping out whole ecosystems. Lionfish are naturally found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans in the areas behind me, red, blue, and purple. The green that you see highlights where they've invaded. Since their first introduction in the mid-1980s to Florida, they have then spread all the way from Venezuela up to Massachusetts. The orange you see highlights where we expect their range will eventually spread, and the yellow star is Bermuda. We're concerned about this invasion for a few reasons. First of all, lionfish eat a whole lot of everything. It doesn't matter what species it is or how full their stomach may already be. If it fits in their mouth, they're going to eat it. Second of all, they have an incredibly high reproductive rate. They're mature within 1 year, and the female can lay 30,000 eggs twice a week for its entire lifetime. Lastly, they have no natural predators to eat them and potentially control their population growth. With these concerns in mind, for my thesis, I'm going to create a computer model to predict the future and estimate how many lionfish Bermuda will have and how their reef fish will respond to this pressure. That's going to take a lot of data. First of all, I'll be measuring their abundance and that of all potential prey species, which include any small-bodied animal. I'll be doing this by conducting underwater visual surveys between 30 and 200 feet while scuba diving. Preliminary results suggest that at 200 feet, Bermuda has about 10 times the abundance that's normally found in the Red Sea where they belong. Second of all, I'll be looking at their reproductive potential to find out how many babies they're having each year and how often these events occur. Thirdly, I'll be looking into their feeding habits by examining their stomach contents. As expected, so far we found that they're eating a whole lot of everything. Fourth of all, I'll be collecting lionfish ear bones, taking cross sections, and just like with the tree, when you count the growth rings, the annual growth rings, you can find out how old each fish is and then determine the age structure or demographics of the entire population. Lastly, I'll be keeping lionfish in captivity, between 20 and 50 lionfish actually, for about 12 months to measure their growth rates. I then take all that data I've mentioned, I put it into my computer model, and I can estimate what the population will look like in the future and how the population of reef fish and the entire ecosystem will respond to that. Preliminary results actually suggest at this point, based on the abundance we've seen and the feeding habits, Bermuda is probably losing more than 1 million baby fish each year to this predator. Thank you.